So we're going to go over editing the document in Google Documents for the purposes of creating, editing, modifying, however you like to say it, policy that the steering committee is working on. First thing that we need to do is go up to our address bar and put in the right address for Google Docs. That address is docs, D-O-C-S, Google, Google.com, and push enter. That should be a list of the documents that you see here are documents that either you've created or have been shared with you. Your documents will not say NetTeam. Mine have been organized that way, and I can go over organization in a different video. First, we're going to click on the document we want to edit. In this case, we'll use the operating agreement. Each policy document that we're working on should say draft. It should also say, gives basic instructions. Suggestion additions are marked as red text. Suggestion removals are marked as red stripe. Using Google Documents gives us the collaboration tools that we need to work together and to do things more quickly. Create and respond to conversations here on the side of the document about the actual editing process. I'm going to briefly show you how to add text. First, we need to decide what we want to add. I'm going to make something up. This should be new. I want to tell everybody that I've added the text. I'm going to highlight the text with my mouse. I'm going to go to my text color, and I'm going to change it to red. This tells other people working on the document that this is an addition. Now I'm going to take out section number 3 by highlighting the text, going to Format, and the Strike Through tool, going back to my color, changing it to red, bringing attention. This text is now submitted for removal. I want to tell people what I've done, so I'm going to highlight the entire change that I have made. I'm going to click on it with my right mouse button, and I'm going to click on Comment. This will allow me to create a new conversation here on the side of the document that talks about why I did this. I did this because I like it. When I push Comment, that then creates a comment here on the side. You can see what other people's comments are by clicking on the comment itself, and that will change the color of the comment area to red from yellow. You can edit your own comments, but you cannot edit somebody else's comment. For example, I can't change what Gardner has said here. And that about covers that. Changing an item back is basically the same thing, only in reverse. So I highlight my document here. I'm going to delete my comment. You can delete that. It asks for a confirmation. Delete. And I'll go through the process of changing my text back to black, removing the strikeout on almost all of it. Black. Format. Strike through. Change. And I'm going to delete this altogether. It's not really going to be there. And that's the basic editing principles for our policy documents. If we follow these simple rules, we should be able to work together to create an efficient document and then submit it by the dates that are listed on the document, which should also be in red. And that allows everybody to work together. Thank you very much.